Professor Sunoo Kim, Director of the Beamforming Global Innovation Center at Hanyang University in Seoul, South Korea. At Beamforming, we develop not only innovative ideas, but also implementable and practical solutions for next-generation telecommunication networks. Integrated Sensing and Communication, or ISAC, is one such solution. With our ISAC prototype demonstration, we show that radar-like sensing can be achieved using modern cellular equipment and communication waveforms.
Hello, my name is Adam Dubs from Hanyang University. I'm a part of Professor Kinsunoo's laboratory, and the solution we have prepared is a ISIC, Integrated Sensing and Communication demo, that shows real-time both communication and sensing components here. Well, on the far left, we have the constellation indicating that communication is occurring, and that's part of the line of sight beam. And then on the left heat map here is the TX beam sweep, and then on the right is the RX beam sweep with the range being shown in the y-axis. And so this big peak here, this bright spot indicating bright power, is a line of sight component that occurs and is used for communication. And then these non-line of sight components refer to non-line of sight components. So this is how you can do sensing to test the environment. So in this case here, it's not shown in the frame currently, but this non-line of sight component here is part of a monitor that's being reflected over in the corner there. And so if I just walk over here and I block non-line of sight component, then it disappears from the point of view. If I stand here with the reflector and move it, you could see a different non-line of sight component. But basically, the solution that we're trying to solve is with millimeter wave components, we are looking for high resolution sensing in many applications, but also importantly to improve communication. So by determining strong non-line of sight components, you can improve the communication aspect. So our testbed that uses TMYTEK's B-Box 1 and B-Box Lite is looking at how can we do beamforming to do fast beam steering in order to collect channel impulse responses in multiple beam pairs and create the actual radar images.
Remember to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.